morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back to back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So I have not done one of these what I eat in a day videos in a really long time, but these are some of the things that I have eaten basically every single day or every single week that helped me to lose 40 pounds in 4 months. Now right now I'm focusing on body recomposition, where I'm losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time, because yes, I really like how my progress has been going in terms of my weight loss, but I really want my body fat percentage to go down because I have my smart scale. I can see my numbers, my muscle mass, my body fat percentage, my water percentage, you know, if I'm hydrated, all of those readings. I mean, it's not extremely accurate as one of those DEXA scans, but it's still really good to at least see more numbers than just that one body weight number. Anyway, so I'm focusing mainly on high protein meals. I'm really trying to prioritize my protein. I try to have about 100 to 120 grams of protein every single day. You already saw that I had a very big breakfast, very high protein breakfast, very nutrient dense, very balanced. I had my avocados, my healthy fats, I had protein, ground turkey, I had eggs, I had spinach and vegetables for my fiber. It's important to get your fiber. Yes, I'm focusing on high protein, but it's important to get your high fiber, your healthy fats, and of course I had some carbs. Now, having 2 slices of bread was a lot. I could have had 1, but I wanted 2 and I ate 2, and I was able to work it in, or I should be able to work it in to my calorie deficit, because I am not, yes, I'm focusing on body recomposition, but I still need to be in a calorie deficit in order to get my body fat percentage to go down. But yeah, breakfast was awesome. I really listen, if you're on a weight loss journey, I really want you all to prioritize your protein. Yes, get your fiber. It's important to get your fiber. Listen, I have seen so many people, well, I won't say so many, but there are particular people they're trying to like do so many restrictive things on their weight loss journey. And here's the thing, right? I know they will see results because it's so restrictive, but the reality is it's not sustainable. It's not something that they will be able to keep up with. And if it is that you're on a weight loss journey, do things that are sustainable. Do things, eat things that you like. Like every single thing I ate today, I absolutely love. But don't stick to just eating dry and bland stuff, just eating chicken alone or salads alone. Like, no, you can have a variety of foods. Eat foods that are healthy, that are nutrient dense. Get your MyFitnessPal app so you know that you're keeping up with the right amount of proteins, carbs, fats, all those macronutrients and micronutrients that you need. Don't just sit down and be eating dry food all the time. Really and truly, you will see weight loss results because you're so restrictive, but I guarantee in about a couple of weeks or maybe in a couple of months, you will put back on all the weight because you will be frustrated, you will be annoyed, you will be hungry, you will be tired, and you will not be able to keep up with it. So anyways, it's just that I've been seeing it so many times around me. I just needed to point that out. Yes, we're in the beginning of the year. Everybody has well, not everybody, but a lot of people have weight loss goals and fitness goals, and they want to get healthy, and this is the perfect time. We're in the middle of February. It's the perfect time. Even if you fell off a little bit in January, you can restart. We are not too far off into the year, but yeah, take this time to set healthy habits, healthy routines and realistic goals, and don't do anything that is so restrictive, because I guarantee you from experience you will lose some weight. Actually, you might end up losing a lot of muscle too. You may not be losing your body fat, you may be looking small, but you might be kind of flabby because you're just getting smaller because you're losing muscle, and you will put back on all of the weight. I'm sorry about that rant. But I'm seeing so many people do things so wrong, and I have been there. If it is that you all kept up with my last couple of videos, you will know that there were points in time where I was gaining all this weight and then I end up losing it, and then I put it right back on because I did things that were not realistic. It was too restrictive and I just couldn't keep up with it. And now that, you know, I've lost the weight, I'm just focusing on body recomposition now, I can attest that it is so much better to do things that are sustainable so that you can keep up with it. Anyway, Yeah, so like I said, I'm focusing on high protein meals, of course having a balanced diet, and I will catch up with you all for my next meal. So it's not exactly lunchtime yet, and I'm not hungry because I had a really high protein breakfast, which I would repeat. If you are on a weight loss journey, prioritize your protein. Of course, fiber and healthy fats will also help you to keep full, but protein will keep you full for longer and keep you satiated. But even though I'm not hungry, I really wanted something sweet, so I ate my, not eat, I have my yogurt bowl. I have it right here. I made it, and y'all, I eat yogurt every single day. I know. I can't help it. No, not all the time. I would have the strawberries and the blueberries, but I would definitely have my yogurt. I recently started putting dates in my yogurt bowls. I really love it. No, I really love dates. I could only have so much. It's really high in fiber, and if I have too much, I would have some issues. If you know, you know. But I really love adding dates. It adds such like sweetness, the texture. Love it. So I'm gonna have this. What's my spoon? Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have my yogurt bowl. And y'all, I really like to have, y'all just look at this. It's such a beauty. I like to have like everything. So I would put everything in the spoon. Blueberries, dates, bananas, some of the, what do you call this, strawberries. So I'm gonna have this. Absolutely love it. This tastes so good. And I think this bowl is gonna be about 20 to 25 grams of protein, and I calculated the amount of protein that I had for breakfast. It was like about 46 grams of protein. No wonder I'm not hungry. So this will take me to maybe what, around 60-70 grams of protein, which is very close to the amount of protein that I'm supposed to have every day. And like I mentioned, a really easy thing to do when it is you're tracking your protein is just try and get about 30 grams of protein in your main meals. And of course, if you have like a protein snack throughout the day, you get to add it 20 grams, 30 grams. That will take you really close to 100 grams. It's really easy to get it once it is you make it a priority. So I'm gonna eat this, and I don't think I will be making like lunch because I would eat maybe what, about 70 grams of protein. That's a lot of protein, so I don't think I'll be too hungry until like closer to dinner. I might have more of a lunch dinner, I don't know. But I'm gonna season my chicken because I know I'm gonna have chicken for dinner later, and I'll catch up with you when I'm making dinner. So I have my chicken breast here to season, but y'all, I realize I hardly have any seasonings. Y'all know, if you watch any of my what I eat in a day videos, I like to use like fresh garlic, onions. I have no onions. The only one I have is red onions, and I usually do not use that to season my meats. And yes, I do have my let me show y'all. Yo, look how empty this is. Empty, empty, empty. Almost empty. Like all of these things. Like, what is going on? What is going on? Now the bottom, yeah, they're pretty full, and y'all can tell I hardly ever use any of these, but I'm gonna try my best to put together, because I do have a couple things that I usually use, but don't worry, we're gonna get it together and it will be seasoned well. So we have dinner here, and I am really excited to eat this. I actually thought, like I said earlier, that I don't think I'll be too hungry. Like, no, I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. Now the thing is, I'm not like hungry, like starving hungry. I'm just feeling like it's time to eat. So I'm really excited to have this. I would definitely calculate how many grams of protein I had throughout the day. I definitely think this will add up to close to 100, or maybe a little over 100, which is really good for me. And here's the thing, I know I said last year that I was trying my best to use a lot more of my recipes in the cookbooks that I have, and just try out different things that you may see on social media. However, I did not do that in this video, but I'm gonna try at least throughout 2025 to introduce maybe at least one new meal, whether it's something I have for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. I'm going to try my best to at least introduce one thing when I do these type of videos, because I like eating the same things. If I love it, I would eat it all the time, but it's good to have variety. I tend to eat a lot more variety when I go out to different restaurants or different places to eat, but when I'm at home and I'm cooking, I stick to basically the same thing. This is just a realistic of what I eat in a day, but I realize that I don't want my videos to be too monotonous. So I'm gonna try my best, even though today was, I think, very similar to some of my other videos. I'm gonna try my best to introduce different snacks, different breakfasts, lunch, dinner, whatever it is. But I hope you'll enjoy this video. I really hope it gives you some inspiration or motivation to help you on your fitness journey, your health journey, your weight loss journey. And even though January may not have gone the best, February is still a great time to start. We are still in Q1, and you can definitely get some really good benefits and results if it is that you stay consistent with sustainable habits and routines. So anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. Bye guys.